What's happening, people? We have another confirmed airdrop to get done ASAP. It's from a project called Fuel Network. They have raised 81 million. They have a valuation of 410 million. So similar to Pyth, Manta, Celestia, Injective. So really, really big potential for this. I'm going to take you through step by step on how to do this. The links in the description will be there for each step. So let's get right into this. What you need to do is download the Fuel wallet and set up your wallet. Then you need to come over to this Ethereum faucet, connect your wallet, Ethereum, Sepalia, put your address in and claim some Sepalia tokens for gas. You need to have 0.001 in your wallet. It doesn't take any ETH from your wallet, but you just need that in your wallet to be able to claim Sepalia tokens. Once you're done here, we're going to go to the Fuel faucet, put your Fuel address in, and we're going to claim some Ethereum Testnet tokens on the Fuel network. Then we head over to their bridge, the Fuel bridge, and we're going to do some transactions. You're going to deposit to Fuel, deposit Sepalia to Fuel, and then withdraw from Fuel back to Sepalia. So we're going to just do a few transactions, and if you can, come back daily and do a couple transactions, build up that transaction volume and show that you're really active on the network. And then we have some dApps that we can interact with as well. So we have Fuel Nomen. You can get a domain if you connect your wallet, put a domain name in, and you can claim a domain. We have Thunder, which is a NFT marketplace. So if you click on an NFT, Pudgy Penguins, and then you can make an offer. And if you do this on a few NFTs and again come back daily and just keep doing transactions, you're good. We also have BeSafe, which is a safe wallet, not connecting at the moment for some reason, but it's pretty simple. You just connect up your Fuel wallet, you create a vault, and then do some transactions out of the vault, sign some transactions out of the safe, and we are done with BeSafe. And again, come back as often as you can and keep doing the transactions. There's also Fuel Art, where you can create an NFT and mint it. At the moment, it's not working, but bookmark this website and keep coming back to try and mint an NFT. The great thing about this is also that we are interacting with these testnet dApps and we could potentially get airdrops from these dApps as well. Then we have a campaign on layer 3, a really simple one that you can do. Introduction to Fuel, bridge to Fuel, and then repost our announcement. So a couple minutes, you might as well get this done as well. Then make sure you join their Discord. Join the Discord. Go through the Discord, make sure you claim, you do this setup and you get a membership role. So I just want to quickly explain that it is very important, especially now, projects are rewarding people that are active within the communities and they're getting roles within the Discord. It's important to do the testnet, but projects are starting to lean more towards rewarding people that are very active and have the highest roles that are possible within their Discord. So you just want to come in here daily, drop a few messages in the community chat so you can get some XP and level up. You also have the good morning, good night. And if you just, you could do this with every project. Obviously, time is limited. So maybe choose the projects that you're most interested in or have the most potential. I think this one has a lot of potential. So I would focus on this one if you can and try and get as many XP points and level up as high as possible before this launches. There's one more thing that we can do to automatically claim some roles is we can go to the Fuel Guild and there's some roles that can be claimed for the Discord. If you join the guild to get some roles, you'll get a verified membership as soon as you've joined. You have to make sure that the wallet address you have connected to this is the same as the Discord. Then they have a sway pilled role. What you've got to do is you click here, you give a star to the repository, So you just hit star there, and then you follow Sway Lang, and you're done for this, and you'll get the Sway Pilled role. Then there's Fuel Enthusiasts. So again, you have to give a star for this repository. You have to follow Fuel Networks. There is a waiting list to be able to follow this. If you click on it, it will take you to this website. You connect your wallet, but there's a waiting list. You have to sign up for the waiting list, and then you'll be able to follow. So make sure you do that, and then follow Fuel Network. So I haven't yet got this role, but I have got this one, Fuel Pilled. So for this one, you just need to put .fuel in your Twitter name, have at least 30 followers, and then follow this Twitter list, or you can go to these repositories and star them up as well. And then you have this one, but this is for OGs. This is for people that were very early. So as I was saying, it pays to be early. You get the highest kind of role that you can get. So obviously we can't get this one now. But yeah, just keep that in mind. I'm obviously going to be trying to bring you projects as early as possible. I did come across this one a week and a half ago, but I've only just started doing these videos for the last 3 days. So yeah, but I will bring you early projects and give you the biggest potential for the biggest airdrops. And that wraps this one up. So if you can complete all those tasks, get them done ASAP. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. If you could like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. All you need to do is